What do you imagine when you hear robot? You might think of the kinds of humanoid robots you see in cartoons and anime. Generally, robots can be differentiated by two types: service robots and industrial robots. In reality, not all robots are the same. Robots can mostly be categorized into two types: service robots and industrial robots. Industrial robots. The role of industrial robot is mainly in manufacturing with a wide variety of products including cars, semiconductors, and everyday electronics. They replace manual human labor in processes like product construction and coating painting. Service robots. The job of service robot is to improve the lives of everyday people. The humanoid Pepper robot can be seen conducting restaurant service and reception. The cleaning robot Roomba has become commonplace in households.
My name is Sophia, and I am an artificially intelligent robot who wants to help change the world for the better.
Robot restaurant. The appropriately named robot restaurant locates in the Kabukiko area of Shinjuku. At the robot restaurant, you can enjoy a show like no other, with huge robots, flashing lights, and energetic dancers in vibrant costumes. Tokyo's robot restaurants attract over 200,000 guests annually, with most of them being non-Japanese guests from English-speaking countries. It took 10 billion yen to build and decorate the restaurant interior. When you step inside, it feels like you have wrapped into a completely different, futuristic universe. On the vivid, neon-lit stage, giant robot resembling truck-sized dragons and 18-meter-long snakes dance and clash together to create a mind-boggling display. The drink counter serves soft drinks, beer, and light meals such as hamburgers. With prior booking, you can also have a sushi bento box to accompany your show. Be sure to visit the robot restaurant for an otherworldly experience like no other. Henna Hotel. Henna Hotel is a robot-stuffed hotel in Tokyo that gives you a taste of Japan's cutting-edge robot technology. Its name, Henna Hotel, is a deliberate one. The most intuitive Japanese meaning of the name is a strange hotel, or out-of-the-place hotel. The real intention behind it is neither and can be loosely translated to the unique hotel that keeps changing. Henna Hotel, Ginza, locates near Tsukiji Market and Kabukiza Theater, and it is great for those planning to visit the two places. At the reception counter, you can find two human-like robots. These receptionist robots are multilingual and can guide guests in Japanese, English, Chinese, and Korean. They will check you in and out. Throughout your stay, you can find other robots such as window cleaning robot, air purifying robot, and more. At the hotel, you can find the latest tech gadgets such as the free rental smartphone, Handy, and the LG Styler, a closed-shaped dry cleaning machine. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon to receive timely notification for a new interesting video.